and then we can begin. Okay. All right. So this was our homework, and the book we read was King Kafur and the Moon. We read King Kafur and the Moon. Okay, so let's go through the homework quickly. So here we have number 1, where we read the book and we translate these into Turkish, draw a picture, and then use the word in a sentence. Okay, use a word in the sentence. So I'll pick one person to start. Yes, let's begin with Cerengü. Yes, Cerengü. Can you please do the first one for us? What's the Turkish meaning of afraid? And use it in a sentence. Yes.
Teacher, afraid, korkmuş demek.
Okay. Use it in a sentence, please.
Don't be afraid.
Don't be afraid. Sometimes when we have young brothers and sisters and they're scared, we say, don't be afraid. Good. All right, so let's move to the next person. Yes, Gökçe. Can you do the second one, please, Gökçe?
Moon, ay demek.
Okay. What is, use moon in a sentence, please.
This is moon, yani kolaya kaçtım birazcık
This
ama.
is a moon. Okay, okay. This is a moon. It's okay. No Turkish, please, Gökçe. All right. And who else can I go to? Sena. Sena, please.
Brave.
Yes.
Cesur demek.
What? This one? No, not brave. Number 3. Secret.
Has secret. Sır demek. He had a big secret.
Very good. Good job. Good job. Okay. We're going to the next one. Yes, Ali Reza. Great.
Teacher, I look at.
I told you to prepare your homework. Yes. Brave.
Teacher, hatırlamıyorum. Hatırlamıyorum. Brave.
Quickly,
Teacher,
Ali Reza.
cesur. Cesur.
Exactly. And the sentence?
I'm very
Brave. I'm very brave.
Brave.
Yes, great. I'm very brave. Okay, let's move to the next one, the last one, which is light. Yes, Kanege.
Light, ışık.
Okay, can you please use it in a sentence?
We need light for our life.
Yes, we need light in our house, okay? There is a light in my bedroom. Turn on the light, turn off the light. So in English, we don't use open the light. We don't use close the light. We say turn on the light, turn off the light. Usually electronic devices or things that use electricity, we say turn on. For example, turn on the television, turn off the television, not open the television. It's incorrect, okay? All right. So now let's move on to the next activity, which is question number 2. So here we have a few questions, and you are supposed to answer these questions in full sentences, please. Full sentences. Use full sentences to answer these questions. I'm going to pick someone to answer A, which is King Kafur a brave character? Yes, Yita. Is King Kafur a brave character?
Teacher, 1 minute.
Okay, I'm waiting.
I'm sorry.
Is King Kafur a brave character? Okay, Yiğit, you answer the next question, okay? Yes, Ertuğrul. Ertuğrul? I'm sorry,
Teacher.
I forgot to mute you, sorry. Yes, is King Kafur a brave character?
Yeah, it's brave character, but it's a secret. It's
Not
afraid
it,
of
he.
the darkness. He have a secret. He afraid the darkness.
Okay,
It's
all right.
that's a feel brave.
All right, good.
Feel brave.
Next question, Arda. What does King Kafur wear before he goes to bed? So before he goes to sleep, what does King Kafur wear, Arda?
1 minute, teacher.
Okay. We are doing B. What does King Kafur wear before he goes to bed?
Okumuştum ama dur.
You don't know?
Teacher nasıl söyleyeceğimi bilmiyorum.
Okay, say it in Turkish.
Yani ben tam olarak anlayamadım da orayı.
Okay.
İngilizce
All right. We'll continue later with you. Just listen, please, Arda. All right. Çağatay, yes, Çağatay.
Teacher neyi söyleyeceğim?
Aren't you listening, guys? You're supposed to follow the lesson. What does King Kafur wear before he goes to bed? B.
Teacher kitabı okudum da şimdi nasıl söyleyeceğim? Bir de buradan hiç yazı gözükmüyor ki. Okusam?
Look at your paper. Look at your homework. Okay, if it doesn't, you can't see it on the computer. Look at your homework.
Teacher ben kitabı okudum. Bir de teacher ben kitabı 3 defa okudum bitirdim de kitap kapanmıyor.
Çağatay, there are questions here. Sorular verdim. Onları cevaplıyoruz. Yani kitap okudun mu okumadın mı diye sormuyorum.
Hangisini? Teacher B şıkkı
You
mı?
can't be serious. Don't make me angry, please. Yes, Elif Ulusoy. I think I unmuted Elif Ulusoy. Elif Ulusoy, are you here? No one is answering. Yes, Yiğit. Yiğit Karaslan.
King Kafur wears if sparkly pajama before he goes to bed.
Yes, King Kafur wears a sparkly pajama before he goes to bed. A sparkly, shiny, sparkly. Okay, very good. Okay. All right, let's go to the next question, which is, what is King Kafur afraid of? It's very easy. What is King Kafur afraid of? What is King Kafur afraid of? Who can I ask? What is King Kafur afraid of?
King Kafur is
No, not you, Yiğit Karaslan. Let's ask Yiğit Alp.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, C. What is King Kafur afraid of?
King Kafur afraid of darkness.
Yes, King Kafur is afraid of darkness. King Kaffu is afraid of darkness. Okay.
Yes,
Now
teacher.
here, this question is a free question. I mean, it can have more than one answer. Okay. Some people can say comic books. Some people can say adventure books. As long as you tell me why you say this book is an adventure book, then it's okay for me. So I will ask about three people to tell me what they think this book is. What genre? Is it an adventure book? Is it a comic book? Is it a fairy tale? So what they think this book is and why they think it is. Yes, Birjan.
Teacher, I don't know.
You don't know? Why don't you know?
I don't know.
That's not a good enough answer, Birjan. You have to know. If it's an adventure, what do you think at least? Adventure, fairy tale?
I think King Kaffu book is fairy tale.
Okay, why? Why do you think it's a fairy tale?
It's like fairy tales.
Okay, if you say so, it's a fairy tale, okay. I will ask Cerengül. Cerengül, what kind of book do you think it is?
What, teacher?
What kind of book is King Kaffu and the Moon? Is it an adventure book, comic book, or whatever? And why do you think so?
Teacher, I think it's fairy tale
Okay, why?
because the book in the king.
Okay, it's about a king, okay. All right, thank you very much. Now, I don't know, I can't find Zafer. Zafer is no name, I think. Yes, most likely. Yes, Zafer.
Teacher, benim sesim açık.
I'm looking for Zafer. Zafer is no name, I think. No name. Can't I unmute it? I don't know, I can't unmute Zafer's. And who is this, Serdar?
Teacher benim. Ali Rıfat.
Okay, Ali Rifat. Can you please tell me what kind of book you think King Kaffu is? Is it an adventure book, comic book, fairy tale, history book?
Is 3 book.
What?
It's 3 book.
What do you mean it's 3 books?
Teacher söyleyemiyorum da dilim orasını söyleyemiyor.
Comic book, adventure book, fairy tale?
Fairy tale book.
Can you write it to me in the chat section, okay? Write it to me. Write the kind of book, okay? All right, and yes, Aisha, the last one. Aisha, tell us, what kind of book do you think it is? Hello, Aisha. Where's Aisha? Yes, Sena.
King Kaffu is a comic book because it is different from others.
From the other books. Okay, you think it's a comic book. Okay. All right, so we are done with this. Now, can you please open, no, not yet. Don't open your books yet. I will ask you a few questions about the genre of a few books. I will ask a few questions about the genre of a few books. So you will look at the pictures of the books and you will guess what genre. Is this an adventure book? Is it a comic book? All that you will tell me, okay? So let's look at these. So we have in our first picture, we have these 2 books. This is the first one. What kind of book do you think this is? What kind of book do you think this is? Yes, Ali Riza. This book, the first one?
It's a comic book
Why do you think it's a comic book?
because it's about a heroes.
Okay, it's about a hero, superhero, okay. And what
it's,
kind of power do you think he has?
I can't see,
Oh, you can't
but
see.
it's fast.
Okay, he's fast,
Okay.
okay. All right, thank you very much, Ali Riza. Now the next book, Harry Potter. What kind of book do you think Harry Potter is about? I will ask, who can I ask? Yes, Chatai. What kind of book do you think Harry Potter is?
Teacher, it's adventure book.
Why do you think so?
Teacher, because it's neydi ya? İngilizce son.
Okay, you can think about it and then I'll talk to you later, okay? All right, thank you very much, Chatai. Let's ask, who else can we ask? Adrian. Yes, Adrian, let's go to the next page. And on the next page, can you tell me what kind of book is this, Adrian?
Teacher, Harry Potter'ı mı söyleyeyim diğerini mi?
No, this one, the next one, this one. This one I'm pointing at, Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs.
It's fairy.
Okay, it's a fairy tale. Why do you think it's a fairy tale?
It's not really.
It's not real, okay. What about the characters?
Cüce ne demek teacher onu bilmiyorum.
Characters. We have a princess, right? We have a princess, so
Yeah.
we can say this is a fairy tale. Okay, all right, thank you. And the last one, Pirates of the Caribbean. Who can I ask to tell me what this is? Who can I ask? Elif Ulusoy.
Teacher,
This book, Pirates of the Caribbean, what kind of book do you think this is?
teacher,
I can't hear you.
Teacher,
Huh?
teacher,
I can't hear you, Elif.
I can't hear, teacher. Teacher, I can't hear.
I'm saying, what kind of book do you think this is, Elif? This book, Pirates of the Caribbean. What kind of book do you think it is?
I can't hear, teacher.
Okay, it's fine. Can you please turn on your audio on the left side of the computer? Okay, yes, Yiğit Karaslan. I'm
Teacher
trying.
göremiyorum.
1 minute. Yes, this one. What kind of book do you think this is? Pirates of the Caribbean.
Teacher ekranı göremiyorum.
I'm sharing again. Yes, can you see it now?
Yes.
Yes, what kind of a book is this? Is it a comic, adventure, fairy tale?
Inspired books.
Inspire books? Okay, thank you. That's new. I haven't heard it before. Okay, all right. I think Pirates of the Caribbean is an adventure book because it's about pirates and whatnot. Okay, all right. So please make sure Your Big Thinker books are open to page 25. Please open your Big Thinker books to page 25. And on page 25, we have a poem. A poem. Okay, do you remember what a poem is? Do you remember what a poem is? Yes, Jaden.
Yes, teacher.
Do you remember what a poem is? In class, remember we talked about a thank you note, a short message, and we talked about a poem. I told you we have some poems by Mevlana, by Shakespeare, okay? These are poems. Do you remember what a poem means in Turkish? Jaden?
No, teacher.
Poem, P-O-E-M. P-O-E-M. You can check your dictionary. Okay, Carnegie wants to answer that question. So I will give a chance to Carnegie to answer it. But I can't see Carnegie. Okay, yes. Yes, Carnegie.
She teaches. She
Excuse me, can you repeat that again? Again?
She teaches.
Yes, shir. Exactly. This is what we call a poem. So here we have a poem. We have a poem in our Big Thinker books on page 25, okay? Now, we have to fill in the blanks of this poem, okay? Now, there is one word, only one word, okay? The same word, we'll write it here. For example, if it's dog, dog will be here, dog will be here, dog will be here, dog will be here, and dog will be here. So it's the same word, just one word that we will fill in the blanks. Now, this word, it's something that has got many pictures. It has got many pictures. You can read it, okay? You can read it. It can be old, it can be new. It has many pictures and words, okay? So this word that we are going to pick here, I want you to guess, tahmin etmek. I want you to guess what it is. It is sometimes small, sometimes big. It has got pictures, it has got words, and you can read it. You can read it. Okay, I'm going to ask Jalen, what do you think this is? I'm trying to unmute Jalen, but I can't unmute her. Yes, Jalen, finally, I unmuted you. Yes. Are you here, Jalen?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, so what is this object? You can read it. It has got words and sentences, and it has got pictures. What is this object? Hello? Anyone want to guess what it is? Okay, let's try Ertuğrul. Yes, Ertuğrul.
Teacher, this word is baby poop. Poop is Turkish meaning is here.
Okay, yes, this is the poem, yes, but in this poem,
Yeah.
we're supposed to fill in the blanks. Look, there's a word that we're missing.
Yeah.
Look at a
Yeah,
blah, blah, blah.
it's
So what is this word? Poem? No, it's not a poem.
Look at the
It is big or small. We can read it. We use it every day.
her gün kullan. Kitap.
English?
Book.
Yes, exactly.
Book.
Very good. It's a book. So look at a book. Look at a book. So here, we're going to fill in the blanks with the word book. We're going to fill in the blanks with the word book, okay? We're going to fill in the blanks with the word book. Now, I'll ask someone to read. I will ask someone to read the poem, okay? I'll go back to Jaylin. Yes, Jaylin, can you please read the poem?
Look at the book. Look at
Please
the book.
speak louder, we can't hear you.
Look at the book. Look at the book. And you will see places with people like you and me. Look at the book. And you can be anything you want to be. Look at the book. And you can share amazing pictures and words in the look at the book. That's old or new. You read with me and I read with you.
Okay, good.
By
Look,
John Gray.
yes, by John Briz. Okay, so one more person to read the same poem and then I will give you some homework and we can say goodbye. All right, yes, Arda. Can you please read?
Teacher,
Read, Oku, read.
print. Print.
Look at a
Look at a
book.
book.
Book. B-O-O-K.
Teacher, book diye bir şey nerede ki ya? 1 minute teacher.
Okay, I can ask someone else to read as Arda is checking. Yes, Aisha Zainab, please read again. Where's Aisha Zainab? Ali Riza.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, please read.
Teacher, my books is closing. Where is
Why
the
is
page?
your book closed? Why?
I open, but it's closed.
Page 25.
I'm sorry. 20? I read.
Yes, please read.
Look at a book. Look at a book, and you will see place with people like and me. Look at a book, and you can be anything you want to be. Look at a book, and you can share amazing pictures and worlds in there. Look at a book that's old or new. You read with me. I read with you. By John Briz.
Okay, great. All right, so guys, we are about to finish activity number 6. We're not doing activity number 6. We will do activity number 7. So please do activity number 7. Okay, so you will do activity number 7, and I want you to write something in your notebooks. Okay, I want you to write about books. Okay, write a short poem. Poem means shir. Okay, I want you to write a short poem.
Turkish?
No,
It's
in
Turkish?
English, of course.
Nah.
In English. I only want 4 sentences, okay?
Okay.
4 sentences, a poem
I can read.
about books, okay? Books are fun. I can read books. Books have pictures. I love pictures. Something like that, okay? Write a short poem about books, and you will get back to me. You'll send a picture of activity number 7.
This
and
day?
What?
This day?
Yes, today, of course. You'll send a picture about activity number 7 and also your poem, okay? And you will send it to me today up to 4 o'clock, okay? Up to 4 o'clock, all right?
Okay.
All right, now, before time finishes, I have a riddle. You know what a riddle is? Wait, let me unmute all of you. Do you know what a riddle is?
Teacher.
Yes.
Teacher.
Yes, I know we have less than 1 minute. Don't.
Teacher. Teacher. Teacher, it's all homework, right? Cool. It's all homework. Yeah. At activity 7.
Exactly. Okay, guys. So activity number 7. Add a short paragraph with a poem about books, and you will send it to me up to 4 o'clock. Okay? All right.
Okay.
I love you.
Teacher, wait